Vikas, I've been thinking about investing, but there are so many mutual funds. How do I choose the right one?
I hear you, Sapna. The first step is to understand your time frame and how comfortable you are with risk.
Time frame as in how long I want to invest?
Exactly. The longer you're willing to stay invested, the more options open up, especially those that can handle a bit more market movement.
And what about risk? I'm not sure how to figure that out.
Just think about how you'd feel if your investment value goes up and down. If that makes you uneasy, it's better to go with something more relatively stable.
So it's not about picking the best fund, but the one that fits me.
Spot on, Sapna. The right fund isn't the one with the most stars. It's the one that fits your needs and comfort. An investor education and awareness initiative of Nippon India Mutual Fund. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.